Okay, so today, this is kind of new to me. So I have a Silent Night 5808 addressable fire alarm control panel. Originally, I just had the board. I did not have the cabinet itself. So I got this off of eBay for a very good price. Anyway, so here's my panel. This one right here is my Fire-lite CRF-300 relay module. I'm still trying to figure out how can I get this to work on this panel. So I'm still trying to figure it out because I don't have experience with advanced systems like this. So this is also like my training setup. So here's my module. This one here is my Silent Night PS-DATK. I don't know the model exactly. It's been a while, but this is a conventional pulse station, and I am trying to get this to work with this module, and the module triggers the panel to go into alarm. So here's my pulse station. This one right here is my Honeywell This one right here is my Honeywell IDP-PHOTO-IV smoke detector. So I have this wired up to my panel, and it does work. I had go into alarm one time with smoke, and I'm still trying to figure out how can I get it to do it again. So this is my only smoke detector here. Well, photoelectric smoke detector here on the system. So we got it. So that's my detector. And this one right here is my system sensor. As I was saying, so this one right here is my system sensor SRLED strobe, and it's a red color device. So that is my only device wired into the neck circuit. This one right here is just a 2-gauge wire that I have wired up to another neck, but I still don't know what to do with this one yet. So that is it. It's just a like a starting point of this panel. Like I still have tons of stuff that I want to add and learn. Okay, as I was saying, so that's it for the overview of this video. But I actually want to show you guys the inside of the panel quick. Sorry about the background. Hold on. Alright, so okay, so this is the inside of the panel. I have the two SLCs terminal blocks used for the detector and my module. So I have two gauge fire alarm wires wired in into these necks right here. To my strobe and this unused wire. So that is it for this video, and if you did like it, thank you for watching, and hopefully I can get the system on the line and running. I may not build a fire alarm demonstration board at this time because I don't have wood and space to put the board in, so it's gonna be limited, but in the future I will be able to do it. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.